So everyone, brace yourself for an adorable spectacle as we welcome our youngest stars, the nursery students of Heritage International Kindergarten School.
And join our hands in applauding these pin-sized ambassadors of unity as they unfold their tiny tales of diversity. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata, I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati, I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 Chandigarh. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Oh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. India, different states, different languages, diverse culture, still unity in diversity. Because we are many in body, but one in mind. We are proud Indians. Yes, we are Indians.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन।
Wow, just amazing! Today, these tiny ones took the center of the stage to share their heartwarming take on the rich tapestry of unity in diversity in India.